Hi viewers, today we will share the plants which survived in 2021. This is an aloe vera plant, and the aloe vera which is in big pot. It grows so much in size and it is quite larger in quantity, but its taste is not so good. And the aloe vera which is in next pot, it is in less quantity but the taste is very good. Both of them differs only in their taste. This is in less quantity, that was in large quantity, but their taste differs. And this is a decorative plant. I bought it from a supermarket, and both of these plants are the babies of that plant. You can see that the flower is ready to bloom now, and hope so we will see its flower this year. It was difficult for both of these plants to grow in a same pot, so I shifted both of them in separate pots so that they can easily grow. And this is the second one plant, and maybe this plant takes some time to bloom its flower. This is an orange plant. I have shown in my previous video its stem is thick and it is quite old now. I usually cut it from its top so that it do not grow so tall. It only grow its branches. This is an avocado plant, and with avocado plant there are capsicum plants. Last year I got some capsicums from these plants and hope so that I will get capsicums this year also. And the spring has started in Finland, and you can see that the leaves are turning green now, and the leaves of the capsicum are also growing large now. And with these plants there is a green chili plant. I have tied this green chili plant from the center because in extreme winters I was scared that it may not breaks from the center, because I have to take it to the balcony and then to the room. That's why I have tied it from the center. And you can see that the flowers are bloomed now on green chili plant. Later on in my video I will show how to do pollination, because I have started to do pollination of the green chili plant so that I can get more green chilies. You can see the snow outside. Only from the sunlight the flowers are blooming and the leaves are turning into the green color, and hope so that more flowers will bloom. Last year I got so many green chilies. Hope so that I will get many green chilies this year also. I'm also growing some mint roots, and in my upcoming videos I will show how to grow mint roots. And these are the pots in which I'm growing. You can see that the roots are growing now. In this pot I have grown earlier than this one, and these are also growing now. And this is a procedure how to do pollination. And gently take two flowers and meet them together. Be careful that they do not fall. From this you will get more green chilies like this, you can see. And these are the red chilies which we got last year. Thanks for watching.